Hi, I'm Ivan Klepets here at Adam Hall, and I would like to show you the Zone X1208, our DSP matrix. So as you can see, the front panel is very simple. It actually just shows you which inputs are active, like at this moment inputs 1 and 2, and which outputs are active. Also like the power status, network, and remote. So this is the front panel. It's really basic information, and there is nothing actually you can control from it. The whole control is actually done through the software. Since we have a partnership with the Silica on this product, we're using the Silica Designer actually to access the software part of our matrix. And what we are offering our clients is, in this hybrid architecture, templates. And this is the first, let's say, global template that we're using. And now I'm just going to zoom in and show you a little bit how this template actually works and how it looks. So this here is actually the input section, where you can actually select what is the source, the input source, if it's a line or microphone source, condenser microphone that needs phantom power. You also have an audio input module where you can do some fine gain adjustments, also see the input level, etc. And these are actually the input processing modules, which you can use if you want to, but also if you don't need them, you don't have to use them. There's a high pass filter, an automatic feedback suppressor, a 2-band pre-dynamics parametric EQ, noise gate compressor, and a post-parametric EQ. So once you finish processing the input signals, you can send them directly to the main matrix right here, or before that you can send them to a smaller matrix here that decides which of the input signals go to the first 8-channel gating auto mixer, or the second one, which has 6-channel. So let's say you have a conference room and you could send the 4, 5, 6 microphones here and let the gating auto mixer do all the work for you. So once you're done, you send the mix directly to the matrix, and in this matrix right here, you decide which input signals from the 12 analog inputs or the Dante inputs, 32, which we have here, go to which outputs of the matrix. Also, as you can see here, we have the gating auto mixer, 1 and 2, also a signal generator generating peak noise or a sine tone for, let's say, troubleshooting purposes. One more thing we added to this design is a ducker module, so you can decide which of the input signals here is the priority source that ducks other sources, and we're ducking the outputs here. You can adjust the ducker actually, and once the signal gets out of the ducker, here you can decide simply if you want to use the signal that's ducked or the ones that's not ducked, going directly to one of the outputs. And before that, we have a very powerful output processing module which offers, let me just maximize this. So output delay until 500 milliseconds, gain control, mute, invert the polarity of the signal, 8-band parametric EQ, a high pass filter, low pass filter, and a limiter. So this is one module, and you have 8 of them for each 8 outputs. I just forgot to say that this is the Zone X1208D, 12 standing for the 12 inputs, 8 outputs, and a Dante optional, sorry, not optional, it's the Dante card, 64 inputs, outputs, is this 1208D, and the Zone X1208 is the same 12 input, 8 output without Dante. So you can buy the Dante version or the one without Dante. So thank you, and for more information, just visit ld-systems.com. Thank you.